Ew, what are we doing in guitar class today?
We are going to learn how to be on time to class.
Hey Ma, that's not funny.
Yeah, well, you know what is not funny, you and my mom.
Stop it, why are you so mean to us?
Because my mom always wants to talk about you. Now, let's finish your test so we can finally get to the project.
Hold on, I still need to copy the answers and photocopy them for Phil. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing.
Now you're a cheater too. I hate this class. Everybody is getting a 0 on the project. My mom will be hearing about this later.
Can you at least show me how to use the Pima?
The Pima. I love the Pima. Pima 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 Pima.
Ha 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 ha. You are so funny.
Yeah, you know what's funny, you and my mom.